So, well, you know, we just came back down here. Just out of sympathy, I'm gonna hit it for a quick long here. See if other people saw what I did. I'm in there at 35.67. Not such a great entry, but looking to get a little scalp pop here. Anyway, back on pause. And we're still safe. We're definitely around some support. Came down to this this area. The bulls could definitely bring it back. Look at this big old green candle. So maybe it was a short squeeze, but bulls are definitely here. I don't know, looks like it's coming back a little bit. Not really. I'll buy it if it breaks this support a little bit. If it breaks, yeah. Yeah, you see it's coming back a bit here. Not an insane profit, but see if I could get out 70 plus 79. I'm gonna put it back on pause here. Like I said, I might get more, and I'll probably have to lower my my limit order here. I'm getting hit on some of this INFY. Good price target I had there. Still got some left. Didn't get hit on all of it. There goes some more. Looks like it's all gonna go here. Alright, there goes. Should have had a better or higher target, but anyway, up 14.18. Happy with that trade. And man, I'm looking at this IYR. Wish I could have got it down here. I did see it at the lows, and then it got this pop. Would have liked to have a couple thousand shares and sell at this area, but I think I missed the boat here, so I'm gonna take a look at something else. I'm looking to short this Johnson & Johnson. It's kind of hitting, well, it broke through a bit. Alright, this is where I would like to short it. Alright, gonna short it. If it breaks to highs, then I'm gonna get out though, just to play it safe, but I think it's gonna sell off from here. It's been going up too much. Alright, it's at the highs. I'm gonna put it on pause here, let you guys know what happens. And we just got a crazy looking wick. Probably a bad print, but it is kind of getting stuck here, so could make a little move to 90. That's probably where I'll get out by the time I hit the button. Back on pause here. Because it is kind of getting stuck here, so if it does this for 5 minutes, I might get a nice down move, but we'll see. Alright guys, I'm covering this. I've been looking at the time and sales and just see more green than red, so thinking it's gonna go to highs, and took a little loss. So back down now, 13.93, and I'll be back with something else. I miss this again here. It's IYR. I wanted to play it buying at the lows and getting this pop, which it did. I don't know. I'm gonna watch this one closely here. See if it gets support at 29.60. Alright, I've been having this bid order on this IYR at 61, and haven't been getting hit on that. It's been coming down to 62 and it's popping back up from there, but still hoping to get hit at 61, at least for this 1,000 shares, and see what happens from there. And I got my wish, got hit on these 61s, and gonna hold this for a while here, and be back to update. Alright, just going long on this Exxon while I'm waiting for IYR to get a better pop. So 1,000 shares long on Exxon, and I'm in at 65.04, and I'm just looking to get a little scalp going on it. Looking for a little bit more than that. Anyway, back on pause here. Alright, here goes Exxon and taking mine. 17-cent little pop. And IYR had a target at 75, and that just got hit too. So perfect deal right there. Now I'm up 17.19 and made 185 on that Exxon and 140 on this IYR. And I'm gonna call it a day here. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, just message me. Just got a question actually. Guy Tommy who's asking me, how do I get the gap ups, gap downs? And usually I look here on a Seeking Alpha pre-market gainers. You could usually find them. They come out at 9 a.m. Or you could look on the home page instead of on breaking news, and they usually show them right here. But I guess they took that away. They only leave like 3 or 4 articles there at a time. And the other way, Tommy, you said you're actually using InstaQuote as well. You get this this news window. Actually, this is not the right one. You go here to custom quote window, and then you go to top 10, and that's how you're gonna get this window I got here. And you could check for the way you'll get a gap up is it's kind of obvious, but I gotta explain it. I guess you'll go to NASDAQ most up, and you see the percent change here, and what you would want to see ideally is a lot more volume than this. What you see here, 2,000. You would want to see more than that, like at least 300,000, maybe 100,000. Excuse me, before the market opens. And not just NASDAQ, but you could see the NYSE most up, and that's basically how you're gonna get the gap ups. And most down will be the gap down. You could also check the percentages and just build up your watch list from there. And he asked me, how do you get a watch list with this thing? Go to condensed quote window, create new, name it, and then you'll get your condensed quote window. I got mine. My default is set up that it just shows a symbol and the change from open, but you can configure it. You can configure it however you want. Go to preferences and just start adding things from available columns to visible columns. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and 17.19, I guess it's not bad for for my expectations that I had this morning. 28,000 shares traded. It's 10:17, and happy trades, guys.